In the United States, anyone mixed with black is generally considered black by most black Africans. But in Africa, a mixed person is a mixed person with two or more blends of other races. When Tyler, a mixed woman from South Africa, was interviewed in America about her race, many black Americans were offended that she used the word colored, simply because of the history of the word in America. What is your view on this? Anyways, here are the mixed people of Africa. Like, subscribe, and share please to help us. Thanks and enjoy. So mixed people have been around as long as humans have existed, and they have a history as well. But in this video, we are talking about the mixed population on the continent. Generally in Africa, when a black person is mixed with someone from another race, they are considered mixed, and they also have words to describe them. In areas like West Africa and East Africa, they could be called mixed, half-caste, or Griqua. South Africa has a number of over 5 million colors, with the majority of them living in the Western Cape province. Up in Namibia, where there are about 130,000 colors, there is even a subgroup called the Bastards. The word comes from Dutch, meaning bastard, as they are a mixed group from the Khoisan and earlier European settlers. In Zimbabwe, there is a smaller mixed race population, and sometimes they are called Gofal, as they are a mix of local Zimbabweans and early British settlers, Afrikaners, and earlier visitors from India. In Mauritius, you have a split of Franco-Mauritians, Indo-Mauritians, Afro-Mauritians, and Sino-Mauritians. The Indo-Mauritians are the most populous on the islands, while the Franco-Mauritians only represent about 2% of the population. Over in Seychelles, there are also mixed people from France, India, and China. However, the predominant demographic are the Creole Seychellois. In Sao Tome and Principe, the largest race on the islands are mulattoes, which is a mix of Africans and Europeans only. Cape Verde has a high number of mixed ethnicities, mostly from the combination of black people and Portuguese settlers from the 1400s. In fact, Cape Verde is such a multi-ethnic society, it's hard to determine the dominant race on the island. Many individuals have a mixture of Dutch, French, British, Spanish, English, Arabs, and Jewish lineage. Angola and Mozambique also have a fair share of Mestizos. However, Angola's population is much bigger, while it sits below 1% in Mozambique. It's important to note that not all mixed people on the continent only come from intermixing of Europeans and Africans. You also have the Malagasy people who come from Austronesians and the Bantu migrants. They are the majority of Madagascar, and the degree of mixed descent varies based on the location on the island. Highlanders could be a term used for those who are more Austronesians, while coast dwellers are those with more Bantu traits. You then have the Karana, who are predominantly from India and Pakistan, and you have some Malagasy coming from French and Chinese DNA. It is hard to discuss mixed race in the north because of the vast majority of interrelationships over the years, from the first time Europeans landed on the continent to colonization and the current times. Suburbans and sub-Saharan Africans have inter-ethnic relations, resulting in the Harappan. But since both ethnicities originated in Africa, could you call the Harappan a mixed race? However, you also have Afro-Arabs, who are sub-Saharan Africans who have an Arab ancestry, dating back to the 7th century. This comes from the intermixing during the first millennium AD, the Arab slave trade all the way till today. They are not only confined to the north, as you can see them in East Africa as well. Back in the day, the east coast of Africa was filled with Arab traders. Over the continent, there are pockets of Afro-Asians. There are Afro-Japanese in DRC from the 70s with a dark history. See, apparently children of interracial dating were killed at birth due to the shame of a Japanese man having a mixed child. Today, Afro-Japanese are looking for closure on the situation. There are some mixed children with Chinese fathers stranded without their parents who were deported from Ghana. There are also many Indo-Equatorial Guinean children due to an influx of Chinese laborers that chose to settle, and there is a big mixed population in Kenya from a wealthy history of Indians and Chinese relocating to Kenya a long time ago. There are many mixed race people all over the world with direct African roots. Former President Obama's father was from Kenya, Doja Cat, whose father is from South Africa, Tandy Newton, who has a Zimbabwean mother, Boris Kojo with a Ghanaian father, Gugu Mbata Raw with a South African father, and Shade with a Yoruba father. It's just a handful of individuals with an African parent. As mentioned earlier, interracial relationships have had their fair share of segregation, prejudice, and eventual acceptance as we have progressed through time. And even though some or many mixed race individuals may face identity or cultural challenges, they embody the continent's rich tapestry of diversity. Thanks for watching. Will we see you in the next one?